everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you another makeup look, this one actually. It's a bit different to my everyday makeup tutorial. I think it's a bit more dressy, it's darker, it's more evening. It's using different products that you haven't seen from me before. I really hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, any comments you want to, and let me know what you think of these products. See you soon. Right, so first things first, I need to put my hair up. Get that all out of the way. Sorry if I keep looking down here, by the way, it's because my mirror is like there. And whenever I record myself, I do it on my iPhone, so I can't actually see the camera. I'm just hoping that I'm in shot the whole time. So I'm going to start with cleansing first of all. So I've got my micellar water, the Garnier Skin Active one. I really hope you can see it. And I'm just using a cotton wool pad. Oh, that's now on the floor. So I just completely soak it. I probably shouldn't use that much, but it doesn't come with instructions. And I wipe it all over. Picks up any oil, dead skin cells, anything on your face that could block pores or bleh. Doesn't taste very nice though. Oh. Failing today. Failing. It's really nice outside though. It's a really nice day. And there we go, so that is disgusting. I was wearing makeup earlier today, which I took off, but it doesn't, like when you see through it, the sun, it looks really dirty, but I don't know if you'll be able to see that, or if you'd want to see it. So next, I'm using a facial oil. It's the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil from Dr. Botanicals, which is really cute. I got this in a subscription box actually. Comes with this little dropper, and I literally use maybe 3-4 drops. And then rub it between my hand and just pat it on. It smells amazing. I wouldn't say it smells like rose, like sweets. It's really nice. I was always a bit worried about putting oil on my face because you just think, why would I do that? But it's actually really nice. While that's sinking in, the next thing I've got is a hyaluronic, that is how it's said, isn't it? Plumping mist from Balance Me. I think this is quite a new brand. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. And this comes literally in a spray. I think this is the sample size. Yeah, it's only 5 ml, but you just, oh, it's kind of running out. But again, that smells really nice, and it just gives you the moisture that you need. It's lovely. There we go. And then I'm just going to moisturise with the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bomb. It's like a 3-in-1 moisturiser. And I just use like a pea-sized amount. That's running out as well. That's quite a lot actually. And smooth that on. It'll take a couple of minutes to sink in. But it's lovely. This smells so sort of botanical. And I love products that smell like that because it just makes you feel like they're really going to do good things to your skin. Fresh. So I'm using the same primer I used in my everyday makeup tutorial video. It just feels so nice. Makes your skin feel amazing. To be honest, if you were to go out without any makeup on, like this would help so much. Like, I feel like I wouldn't have to put makeup on. It feels so nice. I feel like my skin looks better. Now that that primer is really sunk in, it feels really, really nice. I can start on my makeup. So I'm going to use the same foundation I used in my last makeup video. This is the only one I ever use. It's the best shade for my skin. And I feel like the Body Shop are the best at matching your skin tone, or the undertone, you know, pink, yellow, cool, neutral, warm, whatever. I feel like they're the people that do it the best, so I really trust them. And I've always used this one. Again, it's Barley Vanilla, shade 20. I've kind of been applying this a bit differently recently. I just apply it directly to my face instead of on a brush, or I used to use the Beauty Blender type thing. I'm now using this new brush, which funny enough is from Wilko, but I didn't get it early enough to use it in my last video, but it's really nice. It's got a great little grip. But as I said, I'm going to apply this directly to my skin. It's probably going to look really weird, but I just do that, and then with my hair out of my face, I kind of catch some of it, move it to the other side, It blends so nicely. I love this foundation. My stepmom said, actually, hi Julie if you're watching, of course you're watching, she said that she actually went out and bought the foundation after my last video, which is really sweet. It's really nice. And it's really good. It's great coverage. And today I'm doing a bit of a heavier look, so I might put a little bit more on to kind of go with the rest of the style of the look. I love getting to know the sort of foundations that other people use, because I feel like a lot of women sort of stick to one brand when they get comfortable, like me. And it would be really interesting to hear about some others. Always in the market for a new product. This brush is really nice. It's really good. The two-tiered kind of effect, like some of them are this long and some are the full length, really helps to blend it out. It's the same idea as the one that the Body Shop sell, and theirs is about £14, and I'm sure this was like £3. Because I'm not very good at cleaning my makeup brushes, I tend to just replace them every time I can. So it's best to get the cheapest ones really. I think this is starting to build up really nicely. I'm going to go in with this that I used last time and I showed it really badly, so I'll try and get it better this time. Can you see? It's from Wilko. It's their Stay All Day 16-hour concealer. I'm not sure if this is just for under your eyes, but I use it everywhere. Anywhere I might want to conceal. Just shove it everywhere. And then I'm going in with my Beauty Blender type brush. It's a sponge. Talk about a fail day. It would be great to have some other ideas of different makeup videos I can do. My everyday makeup doesn't change that much. It does, like with this season obviously, but not, you know, from week to week. Other than obviously going out looks, I'm not really sure what you guys would want to see. I love doing makeup hauls. I'm definitely going to do that. Maybe some challenges, that would be good fun. So for powder, this is a new one. Well, it's not new, but it's the first time you'll have seen it from me. It's the Max Factor Cream Puff Pressed Powder. Blah, blah. And it's in the shade 50 Natural. It comes with a little sponge, but I just use my normal brush for it. These are just some really cheap brushes that I got from Amazon, I think. I often get, like, not foundation brushes, but other ones. I'll just get really cheap ones on Amazon and replace them really regularly. I just love a new brush. Next, I'm going to be using, I don't even know what this is. It's a contour kit, but I know I got it from, I'm trying to read it, how bad is that? It just says Contour Highlight Sculpt. Look how bad that is. Collection. It says collection. It's a highlight and a contour duo. So I'm going to take the contour colour in here. I don't know how this is going to go. We'll just see. Oh, it's not bad, you know. Very subtle, but I think it'll be okay. I used to be able to contour really well, and it just, I think my skin type has changed, and now it just kind of clings to the bits that I don't want it to. And it's not just with this one. I know this is probably not the best to use. It seems to be with every contour that I use. I don't know why I'm doing it up there. My fringe is going to cover it up. It's just habit. Who cares? Oh, and then we're going to use the highlighter out of this one as well. I haven't used this in ages, but you can see how much I've used it. It's crazy. Wow, the fallout of that is just crazy. I remember, well, as you can see, I used to love this highlighter when I was at uni, like a couple of years ago. Oh, look at that. I hope you can see that. That's gorgeous. Yes. Oh my god, this is, I've overdone it. I'm just going to keep going. Wow. Wow. Okay, now that I've strobed myself, going with a teeny bit of blush. I never used to wear a blusher. I feel like it's kind of taken over from contour. We've all gone back to blushing, so I'm using this little one that was in a quad from the Body Shop. It doesn't have a name. I think it's just like their only blush, maybe. I'm just doing a really subtle little bit. That highlight on my nose is ridiculous, I'm so sorry. Now I've got an eyeshadow quad from Laura Geller. La la la. It's kind of blues, neutral, cool kind of colours. I'm going to go for... Let's start with this one. Just put that all over the lid. I'm just going to use the same one and I'm going straight in with the dark, not going to lie. Wow, what have I done? Oh no, that's nice. That is really nice. I haven't used it before. They're more subtle than I thought they'd be. So now I'm going to go with this pink kind of on the inside. I'm now using the Body Shop eyebrow palette in shade 2, which I think is fair. And I'm just literally going over them. Make them look a little bit better. I'm not a professional. If you want to see these bits that I'm doing in more detail, definitely go and watch my everyday makeup video. I think I'll do a favourites video, and maybe more in terms of skincare as opposed to makeup, because I've got a lot more skincare. I just think my brows look a little bit crazy once I've actually done them. Now I'm going to use Rimmel London Exaggerate eyeliner in just shade 3 black. There must be different blacks. Got a really nice end to it. Let's see, shall we? This isn't just one big mess. I don't know what is. But hey, we said we were going for a darker look. It's definitely darker. YOLO, right? I'm using this Buxom mascara. It's really nice. I also like the fact that the one is shorter. It's really lengthening, but it's not too volumizing, which is a little bit annoying. I'm kind of, maybe I need to use 2 mascaras. People outside are like having a birthday party, it's really annoying. Oh, kids' parties. The other good thing about this mascara is I think it's really good for both like top and bottom lashes because it's really easy to apply. Let's just do my bottom lashes. And then, guys, for the lips, dun, 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 I'm going for this matte lip liquid from the Body Shop. And it's in the shade Mauritius Dahlia, which is shade 17. I love these liquid lips from the Body Shop. I've got 2 different colours. This is the dark one, and then I've got just a really nice mid-pink kind of shade. But they have a really nice applicator, and then they dry completely matte, so I'm gonna have to focus. Look at that colour, and it stays as well. Don't leave it. That's when problems always arise, when you try and correct your mistakes. Just embrace them. It's not the best, I know that. But it'll look a lot better once I've got my hair out of this absolute mess. Should have brought a comb, but you get the gist of things. I think it's okay. I'd wear this for any kind of evening do. I probably wouldn't wear it for a meal because of the lipstick, and it will come off eventually, mainly with drinking and stuff. But I think it looks really nice. Like before you put that lip on, it looks kind of average. With the lip, it just adds so much. So I really hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, any recommendations, subscribe. Let me know if you buy anything that I've mentioned, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye. Here's a better close-up of the finished look. I hope you really like it. Thanks for watching, and bye.